Hi there, thank you for your interest in this Monarch 18 by 54 engine lathe. We're going to look at it up close and then Frank will run it for us. We purchased it direct from storage and I'll show you the ways in a moment. It's in very, very good condition, very limited use. And here's the spindle chart. Goes 24 up to 1,000 RPM. Threads and feeds. I believe that's the original chart and it looks beautiful. Flame hardened. And in case I didn't say the serial number, it's 37849. Monarch is currently the brand that we get the most requests for. And this is also a very good size, 18 by 54. It has a 4-inch Cushman on it right now. And if you needed to add a 3-jaw, we can get you a real good price on those. This looks very good. Okay, let's continue down the machine. And it has a taper attachment with the bed clamp. And whatever speed it's in right now, it sounds 140. It sounds really, really nice. But this has been thoroughly inspected, and it's a very smooth, easy, and quiet machine. Okay, ready whenever you are.
You want to show them some feeds?
Sure.
Crossline feeding.
We're doing some feeds.
Carriage feeding. This is the reverse.
Reverse feeds.
And I'll show you the threading.
Here's the threading. Where are we at, bud?
64, I wanted to show us a smaller gear. 64.
Okay, 64. Boy, it sounds great.
This is a bigger one, 377.
377. Jeez, it sounds so good.
This 1,000.
Okay, top speed. Here you go. Woo. Go fast. Maybe the brake. You shut it Wonderful, wonderful. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I hope that you have seen what you wanted to see on this video. This machine is pretty hard to beat. And if you have any interest or questions, you can call us at 801-531-9500, or our website is toolmachine.com, TOOL machine.com. Thanks again. We appreciate it.